Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, is often called Earth's twin. Similar in size and mass, Venus initially seems familiar. But don't be fooled. Beneath its swirling clouds, Venus harbors a truly alien landscape. While Earth teems with life, Venus remains a stark reminder of nature's extremes. Its surface, hidden from our direct view, reveals a story far different from our own. Volcanoes, vast plains and towering mountains dominate this desolate world. Craters, relics of ancient impacts, dot the landscape, hinting at a violent past. Venus challenges our assumptions about habitability, reminding us that size and proximity don't guarantee a second Earth.
Venus's atmosphere sets it apart from all other planets in our solar system. A thick shroud of carbon dioxide traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Temperatures on the surface soar beyond 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The air itself is heavy and toxic, composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. These clouds reflect sunlight, giving Venus its high albedo and making it the brightest object in our night sky after the moon. Pressure at the surface is 90 times that of Earth's, equivalent to being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface.
One of Venus's most intriguing quirks is its peculiar rotation. Venus rotates incredibly slowly and in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system. This means that on Venus, a day lasts longer than its year. A Venusian day, the time it takes for the planet to rotate once on its axis, lasts a grueling 243 Earth days. In contrast, Venus zips around the Sun in just 225 Earth days. Imagine celebrating your birthday twice in a single sunrise. This unusual characteristic continues to baffle scientists, offering a tantalizing puzzle in our understanding of planetary formation.
Section 4. The backward planet. Venus's retrograde rotation, spinning in the opposite direction to its orbit, adds another layer of intrigue to this enigmatic world. Scientists speculate on the cause of this backward spin. Some theories suggest a cataclysmic collision with a large object early in Venus's history. Others propose that gravitational interactions with the Sun and other planets gradually altered Venus's rotation over billions of years. Unraveling this mystery could provide crucial insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. Venus, with its backward spin, reminds us that the universe is full of surprises.
Section 5. Life in the slow lane? Imagining life on Venus, with its extreme conditions and sluggish days, is a challenge. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, presents an environment that is anything but hospitable. The planet's surface is a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, and the air pressure is 92 times that of Earth's, equivalent to being 3,000 feet underwater. The searing heat, crushing pressure, and toxic atmosphere present formidable obstacles to even the most resilient organisms. The surface is dotted with volcanoes and covered in lava flows, making it a hellish landscape. Lightning storms rage across the sky, adding to the planet's inhospitable nature. Yet, life on Earth has shown us that it can adapt to seemingly impossible environments. From the deep-sea vents where temperatures can exceed 700 degrees Fahrenheit, to the acidic lakes where pH levels are comparable to battery acid, life finds a way. Extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, give us hope that life could exist in places we once thought impossible. Could life, perhaps in microbial form, exist in Venus's upper atmosphere? Here, the conditions are less extreme. The temperature ranges from 30 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pressure is similar to that found at Earth's surface. This region, known as the habitable zone, is where scientists believe life could potentially exist. Here, temperatures are cooler and pressure less intense. The clouds are composed of sulfuric acid, but they also contain water vapor, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The presence of these clouds creates a more stable environment, where life could potentially thrive. Some scientists speculate that the presence of certain chemicals in Venus's atmosphere might hint at biological activity. Phosphine, a gas associated with microbial life on Earth, has been detected in the upper atmosphere of Venus. This discovery has led to renewed interest in the possibility of life on our neighboring planet. While the possibility of Venusian life remains remote, it sparks our imagination and fuels the search for life beyond Earth. The study of Venus not only helps us understand our own planet better, but also guides us in our quest to find life elsewhere in the universe. The mysteries of Venus continue to captivate scientists and dreamers alike, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be discovered.
Section 6. A history written in the clouds. Venus's thick atmosphere holds clues to its past. The dense clouds that shroud the planet are not just a veil of mystery but a record of its tumultuous history. Scientists believe that Venus may have once been a much more hospitable place, with conditions that could have supported life. Imagine a world where Venus had vast oceans of liquid water teeming with potential. Perhaps in its ancient past, Venus was not so different from Earth. The two planets might have been twin worlds, both with the potential to nurture life. However, a runaway greenhouse effect, a catastrophic event that spiraled out of control, was triggered by massive volcanic eruptions or significant changes in solar radiation. These events released enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This transformation turned Venus into the inferno it is today, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead and an atmosphere thick with carbon dioxide. By studying Venus, we gain valuable insights into the delicate balance of factors that make a planet habitable. Researchers are keen to understand how such a drastic change occurred and what it means for other planets, including our own. Venus's fate serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of unchecked climate change. It is a cautionary tale that underscores the importance of monitoring and managing our planet's climate. Protecting our own planet's fragile environment is crucial. The story of Venus is not just about a distant world. It is a mirror reflecting the possible future of Earth if we do not take action to preserve our environment.
Section 7. Venus, a beacon and a warning. Venus, despite its harsh realities, offers a beacon of hope for space exploration. Its thick, toxic atmosphere and scorching surface temperatures present formidable challenges, yet these very obstacles make it a fascinating subject for scientific inquiry. Its proximity to Earth and its intriguing mysteries make it a compelling target for future missions. The journey to Venus is relatively short in cosmic terms, allowing us to test new technologies and strategies for interplanetary travel. By studying Venus, we can learn more about planetary formation, the evolution of atmospheres, and the dynamic processes that shape celestial bodies. Understanding Venus's past could unlock secrets about Earth's future and the limits of life as we know it. The extreme conditions on Venus push the boundaries of our knowledge about where and how life can exist, offering insights into the resilience of life forms. Venus also serves as a stark reminder of the importance of planetary preservation. Its current state is a window into what can happen when a planet's climate system goes awry. Its runaway greenhouse effect stands as a cautionary tale, illustrating the potential consequences of unchecked climate change. The thick clouds of sulfuric acid and the intense heat are a direct result of this phenomenon, urging us to protect Earth's delicate climate balance. The lessons we learn from Venus are not just academic, they have real-world implications for our environmental policies and practices. As we venture further into the cosmos, Venus stands as both a challenge and a guide. It pushes us to innovate and adapt, to develop new technologies that can withstand extreme conditions. Venus reminds us of the preciousness of life and the importance of safeguarding our own planetary home. The stark contrast between the barren, hostile environment of Venus and the vibrant, life-sustaining Earth underscores the need for vigilance in protecting our world and the importance of safeguarding our own planetary home. As we look to the stars, let us not forget the lessons of Venus, and let us strive to keep Earth a thriving sanctuary for generations to come.